Hello, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. Thanks for joining me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. To prime my eyes, I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 and set it with the ABA setting powder in Deep Peach. Next, I'm using Juvia's Place the Magic Mini eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take that shade and put that right in my crease. And then I'm going to take that dark blue shade at the bottom and I'm going to put that all over my lids. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure that you do so. Please make sure that you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, make sure to click the like button as well as comment and share because I really appreciate that. For lashes, I'm using the Ioni Fluffy Crisscross Medium Natural Lashes and the House of Lashes Eyelash Glue. Moving on to my face, I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Now I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm using the Touch and Saw No Pore Blend Primer. To correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using the e.l.f. Orange Camo Color Corrector. For some more coverage, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut, and I'm just putting this the same places where I put the orange corrector at. Next, I'm using that ABA setting powder again to set where I had that orange corrector and that concealer at. For foundation, I'm using the Uma by Sharon C Skin Perfecting Foundation in Bronze Venus T5. To highlight, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Praline, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark, and I'm going to take the top shade to contour my nose and go around my jawline, and I'm going to use the other shade to bronze other parts of my face. Now I'm using the setting powder to set where I had that concealer at. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 440. For blush, I'm using the Beauty Bay blush in Coral. To highlight, I'm using the ABH highlighter in Peach Fizz. For lips, I'm using the Bath & Body Works Emily in Paris Parisian Pearl lipstick and the Juvia's Place lip liner in Brownie. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed this midnight blue eyeshadow look that I did. If you're not subscribed, please make sure that you do so. Please make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment and share, because I really appreciate that. Everything I use will be listed in the description box, as well as on my social media handles. And if you have any suggestions for makeup looks, please let me know so that I can do them. I appreciate each and every one of you, and thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.